Let's go, my friends. Let's go, Kratos. All right. What are we doing now? What are we doing now?
Found some.
Hello, kid.
Get in the boat, boy.
Get him, good boy. I have played this game before, but only a few hours, so I came back to try again the game. Hopefully, I will finish it. I will need your help, guys. Please help me. Okay, we have to move this tronco.
Still want me to tie it to the boat?
You can't, kid. I'll do it.
Boy. That is enough.
Father,
What?
did something
Here we
change?
go.
The forest feels different.
Everything is different, boy. Try not to dwell on it.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Yes, sir. To his father. Good boy. We gotta go faster, my friends. What are we going to do with this tronco? Should I increase the game sound? This is our house.
That was the last.
Something's gonna happen here, right? I remember. Oh, is that his mother? Is she dead?
Oh, there do I see my mother. Oh, there do I see my father. Oh, there do they call to me. Oh, there do they call to me.
This kid has nice tattoos.
Oh, there do they call to me. Oh, there do they call to me. Oh, there do they call to me.
Man, this is huge.
She's ready.
Oh, we have to burn her, right? Ceremony. Dang, this is sad.
Find your way home. You are free.
You are free. Yep, this is gonna hurt. But this is the reality.
I'm sorry.
All right, we are ready. Let's go. We are ready to fight.
This knife. It was hers. Now it is yours. She taught you to hunt.
She knew.
Show me.
Now?
Now.
What are we hunting?
You are
Don't cry, guys. Don't cry. Hello. Welcome, my friends.
Which way?
in the direction of deer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
This way?
this way.
We're gonna hunt, right? The market trees. Hunt with Atreus. Let's go, kid.
Father?
Gonna show you how to hunt.
I need to know you can survive the journey.
Then we leave for the mountain?
Depends on you. Hunt. What did you find?
Tracks. Not deer, though.
Nice.
I'll keep looking.
Smart guy. Wait for me, I'm gonna do it. I'm also hunting here. What is that? Armor. What should I upgrade, guys? Weapon or... I don't know which one to select. Powerful shield forged by two legendary Darwin. Blacksmith. I think they're all the same, no? They're all the same. Let's go with this one. Armor. This one is better. All right. One more. And finally this one. Okay, this is done. Now the kid, right?
More tracks?
Yeah, but they're too round. Could be a wild boar.
Yeah, big.
Oh, now what?
This way, boy.
You gotta jump.
Oh. Wait, deer tracks. They're fresh. This way.
Let's catch them. I hear them. Oh my god. This is huge.
Found it.
Slow down, boy.
Sorry.
You are hunting deer, not chasing it.
Yes, Father.
What we have found here? Silver. Where's my kid? Alright. I feel like I need to lower the graphics. It's a bit lagging. If you see the game is lagging, guys, let me know.
How are we gonna get across?
Step aside.
Wow.
Go.
Oh, what happened here? There it is.
Hold.
Wait, kid.
What are you doing? Now his guard is up. Only fire. Only fire. When I tell you to fire.
I'm sorry.
Do not be sorry.
Wow.
Be better.
I'm so angry, huh?
Find it.
Come on, move. Uh-oh.
No! You are not ready! Stay back!
Gotcha. Bye-bye. Alright. Our first game after too long time.
Frogger.
We did good. Armor. How can I change the settings for this character? Won't allow me. How can I select this one? I'm confused. Maybe we are not allowed to change it now.
They've never come this close to our woods before.
Continue.
Keep moving.
little temple. But Mom told me never to go in there.
We do what we please, boy.
Ooh.
No excuses.
We're going in.
Can I have my bow back now?
Can you hit it from here?
We should get closer.
Good thinking. Good thinking.
I went hunting with Mother a bunch of times. She never wanted to take me. Why now?
It was her wish. And it was time.
Okay.
Gotcha.
It's open. You froze it in place. Clever.
Of course.
So... Nice.
I got this, boy.
Where are you going? I think he's this way.
I'm just checking around, kid. Just wait. Oh, oh, oh. How can we go inside? Hmm.
Look here.
Oh, look! It's Swollen Hati, the giant wolves who chase the sun and moon. Where did they come from? How did they get up there?
I don't know, kid.
What's happening there at the end? They eat the sun and moon? And then everybody fights?
What is lore? It's just that a book? Gotta be more stuff to check, no? Is it done? Continue.
What?
He can no longer use it. We can.
Of course we can.
Father, look.
Is it there? Come on, go ahead.
Wait for my mark. Relax. Do not think of it as an animal. It is simply a target. Clear your mind. Steady your aim and breathe in. Exhale and release.
I got it.
Good.
Good job.
It's still alive.
Animal.
Your knife. No. Finish what you started.
I can't. I... We're gonna fight that?
We have no choice.
Okay, just tell me when to shoot.
Hey, hey, hey.
yourself, boy.
Fine! Kill it! Need more time!
Gotcha. Yes.
That's what you get!
Boy,
Think I'm afraid of you! You're nothing to me!
boy, look at me. Look at me, boy. Boy,
Was angry, huh?
look at me.
We did it.
Lose yourself, kid. Don't
You
lose
are not
yourself.
ready.
What? Are you serious? I found the deer. I proved myself. How am I not ready?
Of course I'm serious.
Home.
I haven't been sick in a long time. I can do this.
You are not ready.
Papa is speaking.
I am.
Do not speak again.
Do we have something here to collect? Nothing? Blah blah blah. I think I remember this place. Go, go, go.
Still can't get the doors open, huh?
Quiet.
Oh, it's locked. Oh, wait, there's something to do. Love it, man.
I told you something was different about the fight.
And I told you not to speak.
Okay, I think we have collected everything here. Maybe this. Alright, everything's ready. Let's go.
fire troll burned Mother's garden. And since when are Draugrs so close to the house? And what was that frozen thing that attacked us?
I do not know. Now be silent. We are almost home.
Okay, home sweet home.
Inside, boy.
There is gonna be a problem here. Hello gamer, welcome. What is gonna happen here? Let's see what's gonna happen. What's wrong, kid?
You lost control.
That thing was trying to kill us. It's not like you don't get angry in a fight.
Anger can be a weapon. If you control it, use it. You clearly cannot. When you
I haven't been sick in a long time. I'm better now.
Oh, he's sick. That's why his father is nervous or
come on then.
worried about.
You want me to hit you?
I want you to try.
Ow! What are you...
Try again.
Why are you doing that?
Too slow. Try again.
Cut it out!
Weak. Again. Again.
Stop it!
Again.
Yeah, he's gonna lose his control again. Hi, Jetly. Yes, today we are chilling.
Your
Story
anger,
game. Beautiful
you can
game.
get lost in it.
Stop violence.
That ahead is difficult.
Let's chill a bit.
And you, Atreus, are clearly not ready.
Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. This is the moment where things go a bit weird.
Come on out! There's no use hiding anymore. I know who you are.
This guy is a
Do you know
this
him?
guy is a
More importantly,
psychopath,
I
man.
know what you are.
Boy, beneath the floor. Now.
Welcome,
Don't
guys.
let him go
Welcome.
down there. Who is that?
I do not know.
What's he talking about?
I do not know. Get in.
Get in, kid. Get in.
Just tell me
Please,
what I
guys, don't
want
forget to like the
know.
stream.
No need for this
Thank
to
you,
get
thank you.
bloody.
How Gently? How's it going? Okay, let's focus now. What do you want, Psycho? This seems like a silly boy, but he's very strong.
I thought you'd be bigger. But you're definitely the one.
Oh,
Long way from
nice.
home,
Relax
aren't you?
day. Enjoy your day.
What do you want?
Oh, you already know the answer to that.
It's like a movie, yes, and
Whatever
we are
it is you say, I
the
do not have it.
main role.
You should move on.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
And here I thought your kind
This game is incredibly beautiful, man. I'm now gonna shut up so you enjoy the game.
You hide out here in the woods like a coward.
Uh-oh.
You do not
Don't
want
say
this
that.
fight.
Oh, I'm pretty sure I do.
Ooh. Ooh. This is gonna get interesting.
Leave
Yes.
my home.
You are going to have to kill me for that to happen.
I warned you.
Here we go. He's a psycho, really. Crazy.
You would not listen.
The problem is I don't know the controls. Let's see how we can handle the controls. No, no, no.
Fine.
He seems like
Right.
weak. You piece of crap. I'm here now.
How incredibly disappointing. Come on, then. Point.
Ooh. How can I? Wait, what is the button of to cover? Wait. Do I have a? I have a shield. Yes, 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 yes. This is what I was looking for. Come on already, come on! Yes, now it's my turn. Yes. Come here. Yeah. Eat this, and this, and this, and this. Oh shit. Take this, and this, and this, and this. Dang.
Tell me what I want. Pain stops real simple. Why are there two beds in here?
Man, this fight is real. This is Forrest's fight. Exactly, man. This is my property. He destroyed my garden.
Struck a nerve, did I?
He's not dying, man. Come here.
Who are you hiding?
He knows he's hiding someone. That his kid.
Low and old. You should never have come to Midgard.
Oh, he's healing again.
So,
He's
let's
healing
try
again.
You talk too much.
What the heck? He's not dying, man. How are we gonna get rid of this guy?
Talk? Fine. Maybe whoever it is you've got stashed in that house will.
For 3.
Who are you afraid of? Fine. Let's find out.
Man, this is a psycho boy.
Pointless.
I'm really angry, man. I'm very angry, man.
For me. What are you hiding?
Oh shit. I'm not gonna buy this.
Are a fool. I don't have time for this.
Oh dang, he hit us this time.
Pointless.
Hit us this time. We got you, man. He's a psycho. Let me show your comment. Knock him off the cliff. Let's see what he's going to do. Here I don't intervene. Let's see what this guy is going to do. He will know what to do with this guy. Yes. We know what to do with this guy. Here we go. That's it? Boulder following him, yes. But I think he's not finished yet. Sleep now. Where's my house? Where's my house? Do I have to do something else here? That's it? I think I have lost my house. Where is my house? Or there. Oh shit, he's coming back. I knew it. I knew this wouldn't happen. Finish like this. Break the rock, make sure wasn't necessary.
When Odin sent me here,
No
I
way,
didn't
we're
need an
gonna
answer,
apart
but
the
you
ground.
had to act all proud. Throw whatever you have at me. I'll keep coming. That old body will give out. But before I end this, I
Oh
want
dang.
to know one thing. I can't feel any of this.
He knows what it? Of course he does. Dang. Battle roast guy now. Now we're going underground. Go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Fast, 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 fast.
You've seen it with your own eyes.
Can't hurt
Can't
me.
hurt me. Nothing
We
can.
will see, man. We will see.
This fight is pointless. Your struggle is pointless. It didn't have to be this way.
Can you shut up?
Pathetic.
Can you shut up? I'm gonna get you now.
You can't win. I feel nothing. But you feel everything, yet you keep
Ah,
trying.
you will see what I feel.
I'm not my brother.
Ooh, I
And
can
if
hear
you'd
myself
given
as
me what I
well.
wanted, it wouldn't have ended this way. But no.
You're speaking too much. Come here, kid.
Let's finish.
Come here, kid. Come here.
Can't beat me.
Oh shit, I didn't see him coming. Wait, how can I hide my weapon and go melee?
Come on.
Yes. Eat that, kiddo.
I feel nothing.
Hello? I think you're looking for me. Are you looking for me? Dang, I should avoid this. I wanna go fully melee. How can I do that? Yes. Come here, man. You got me. I kinda enjoy his punches. He's good.
I will end you.
Yeah, I didn't see him coming. Run, 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 run.
Me.
Go now, go, 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 go. No, man. No, no, no. No worries. No worries because this is our first time. We are still struggling with the...
Can't beat me.
Shut up. Don't make me angry. We'd avoid this like this. Yes. Are you stuck, man? Are you stuck? Are you struggling now? I think I'm getting used to my abilities. Oh, my shit doesn't cover that. Nice shot. I need to get my cover. I need my cover and my angry level go up. Come here. Run away, run away. Nice. Nice block. Yes. We are almost ready. Now we go. Now we are ready. Come here. I think now you are the one who's struggling. Huh? We good, we good, we good. We got this. We are winning now. Is the game lagging, guys? The game sound is good. Mic sound is good.
I'd hope that you, of everyone I'd faced, would finally make me feel
Thank you,
something.
thank you.
But you can't. Come on.
Wait, what? You finished? Bye bye. No man, if he comes again, I better stop playing this game. I can't take it more. Old school twisted neck. Yes, always works. Never fails, always work. What about the kid? Is he still alive? Is he still alive? Oh, we are already finished, man.
He knew me.
We didn't know who was that guy.
My past. How did they find
Watchers.
me
No,
after
no.
all this time? Faye, what do I do? Our son is not ready to carry your ashes to the top of the mountain.
Ah, The kid has a mission to carry the ashes. He was Odin's apprentice, probably. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know this story. Come on, man, heal up. Oh, we're good now. It took like a few minutes.
I do
Like
not know
Obi-Wan
how to do
or
this
Luke.
without you.
You better in this case. I don't usually play this kind of games. I just play it because it's beautiful. I don't really know the story, etc. Don't
But
think
we
so. He's still
cannot
here.
stay here.
He's still here. He's still here. Ateus. He's probably waiting for us.
Boy,
Yes.
There was so much. I thought
You're dead.
you're all right.
I am all right.
Odin was an ancient god, I thought. Yeah, it was a god, but I don't know if it exists in this game.
We are leaving.
Yeah, we are leaving. We are traveling, guys. Here we go.
Thought I was
Here
right.
the adventure starts.
We have no choice now.
The kid is happy. He was looking for an opportunity to be ready. Now he says,
Yes, sir.
"You're not ready, but you have to prove it." He agrees. Good boy. I like it. It's my son.
The mountain.
I don't know.
It's gonna be a long trip.
He's good.
Yes.
Complete the
But an
marked
important
trees.
Whoa.
Okay. Journey to the mountain.
How did
We're
this happen?
going to. Don't ask what happened here, kid. Oh wait, there's something here. We have to go this way.
I do not know.
What did he want with us?
He's asking too much questions.
Nobody's. Did you kill him?
I did what had to be done.
We are not sure, kid. We are not sure if he's dead or not.
Could have died. Never leave me alone again. All right?
All
I'm
right.
here. Jump. Gonna pause it. What do I have to do? Oh, nothing. Okay. Good kid. Up.
You've had to kill people before, haven't you? You're
Man,
used
the
to it.
graphics is
We
crazy.
do what we must to survive.
Look at the graphics.
Animals, I get. They're food. Draugr, they're supposed to be dead. But people, they're trying to survive too.
Close your heart to it. On our journey, we will be attacked by all manner of creature.
Exactly.
Close your heart to their desperation. Close your heart to their suffering. Do not allow yourself
Don't
to
see
feel for
anything,
them.
kid.
They will not feel for you.
I understand. Has this been here all this time?
Oh
Why
wait,
don't
what
you
have
help me up there? I can
How-
get a better look.
what do I have to? Am I have to do? This one? Oh wait. Oh, okay. I got it.
Okay. Nowhere to go from here. Except across this bridge.
I'm just looting, kid. There goes your water supply. Oh wait, we got it. We got it.
Think you can lower it from there?
Of course I can. Oh wait, I have to stop it.
Go.
Made it.
Good kid. Oh wait, I failed. Can't aim. Doesn't allow me to see it. Okay, now I see it.
Boy,
Yes, sir.
Bring it down. I have to get used to these controls. I'm really so. Oh wait, wait, no, 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 no. That's not good, man.
Wait!
I was champion throwing tomahawk out at tricky people when I was younger. You are still young, Chadley. Don't act like you are 40 or 50. Here we go. You were very skillful when you were younger. Younger than now. We have to check for other parts too. Oh yes, of course. Look, we have a case here. Almost forget that. I think everything's finished now. There are so many clues and we have to check everything. Everything's ready, let's go. You were number 1? I believe in you, Jetly. Okay. Oh no, 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 no. We are so bad. What is this rush, dude? This happens because of Apex, you know. Ah, I thought you were saying that you were number 1. Okay. I will keep that sentence. It's better than what you said. Okay, we have done. I'm really curious what we will still see this game
Father,
after that
will we
guy,
see others on the
immortal
road?
guy.
Yes.
I wonder if there are gonna be more people
No.
like this or
They'll try and rob us?
bigger
Possibly.
characters.
Yes.
Huh.
Good job, Jetty. Nice throw. Wait, do I have to do something here? Oh, I couldn't check.
Look. All this time.
Wow, looks good,
There's been
huh?
a protection stave around our entire woods.
Pretty good.
The stave's broken there.
You want me to die, Jetly? Ah, your bad friend.
Did you cut those down?
She had marked the tree she wished used for her pyre.
Why'd she do that?
There's a new game. This is an old game, but I bought the old one. And now, if I like this game, I will buy the second one as well.
Come. No looking back now.
I think the other one is better than this. Alright, let's practice. I think there was something to check, no? Oh, we already checked that, no problem. Let's go. Come on, kiddo. Go. Got things to do.
So, how long will it take to get to the mountain?
I do not know.
These guys don't forget
Before
light the
winter
stream.
falls?
I do not know.
Okay, okay.
Oh, I know this place, man.
There are a lot of Drago around here. Can't get.
Oh, I can't run. Oh, don't look at this. Start getting more violent.
There are a lot of Drago around here.
No worries, no worries, kid. Wait, this guy died so fast. Okay, what do we have here? Hold S, press. Okay. It's a hard combination, S and shift. No worries, I got this.
Keep the pressure on.
When you hit them enough, then you get the anger mode. Who's throwing that? How's the gas? Yes. Where's the other guy? Oh, there's someone here. Bye bye. Okay. This has
What was that?
finished.
Did I help?
If you want to help, distract them.
What is that?
Whoever is not my focus should be yours, but only when safe to do so.
I can do that. Look
Can't
sharp.
read this. Come read. Come here.
Batista!
Wait. There's something
there?
here. I'm looking already, kid.
Boy,
Ah,
over
okay.
here.
There's a Yetner settlement ahead.
Yetnar,
Giants.
you can read the writing.
Some.
Some
Just the language his mother.
armor. Okay, now we can edit this. Nice.
Now. But they're all sort of connected, so sometimes I can feel my way through
Let's see
stuff
if I can
shouldn't,
find something here.
You know?
Yeah, don't scare me, deadly. Don't talk about dragons now. You know I'm beginner. My heart can't handle this dragon stuff. We are still noobs. Okay, I think everything's ready. Let's go. Come on, kiddo.
I think
Okay,
you got him.
why this is blue? This is
Anything else?
different.
Space your shots. Speed costs
Oh, look at
accuracy.
this box. Give me something good. Give me something good that makes me immortal. Light runic attack. An extremely quick burst of energy that interrupts and knocks back all nearby enemies. That's good. He made of ice. You're getting close to seas. You're getting close. I mean, there are so many combinations of combat. I have no idea how to do that. I have to press S and shift at the same time to quick turn. So hard. I have to change that. But now I don't want to change it. Let's just try to use the current combination, you know? What am I have to do here? I have to do combination, but how do I select my skills? Not enough. 2 and okay. Click on H. I have more. Third one. Hold Q, then press to perform light runic attack. I'm doing. There's nothing happening. Oh. Holding Q and press the button, nothing happens. What do you mean? Hold Q, then press. I'm pressing already. Maybe this doesn't happen here. Let's see if I can upgrade my weapon. The third one. Skills. Ah, yes, you are right. Ah, ranged combat, close combat. I'm gonna go with close combat. What is this? Ooh. No. A heavy attack finish at the end of light attack combo. Press, 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 and right click. 3 times. Press and then right click. And this is just a right click. I think this is good. It's easier, you know, not less complicated. Just press one button and that's it. And this looks good. Like this. Boom. Wait, I'm doing it already, but it doesn't allow me.
I think we can go through here.
Doesn't allow me because I have to do the light attack. How do I do that? Light attack. Doesn't do that. Since I don't do it, maybe it doesn't allow me to go here. Hold Q, press left click. I'm doing that. Maybe,
Huh.
I'm confused. Okay. If I hold this, hold Q, then press. I swear I'm doing that, but nothing happens. Is the game bugged out? Okay, this is Q. And all I have to do is click on the mouse button. I'm doing that. We have something to do before. Maybe you're right. Let's see. Oh, I have to kill someone, I guess. Come on, kid, we have to fight. Come here. Wait. Good work, man. I will figure out. Let me restart the restart. Yeah, maybe the game is bugged out. Hmm, let's go this one. Maybe we have to do this with the enemies, you know, when we were fighting.
Hey, I think there's a chest over there.
Man, I swear it doesn't work. Doesn't work. Maybe there's something wrong with the control. Light one. Okay, okay, yeah, it's this one. It's easy one. Change control. Light one. Let's change this to like okay. It still doesn't work, man. Even I press the second button, it still doesn't work. It's so weird. Do you have to hold click? Yes, it says click Q and hold it. And then press left click. If I don't do this, it doesn't allow me to go. Maybe nothing to do with that. Maybe after this we're gonna be opening the door. Let's see. Oh wait, I understand now. We have to select our ability first. Skills. This one. This is other purchased. Yeah, we have to buy this one. Let's see if this is gonna help. Seems like the game doesn't care about my actions. And where is the gameplay? Lock on camera. Change control. Can I reset this? Yes, default. Nah, there is nothing I can do, man. There is nothing I can do. Somehow it doesn't recognize whatever I do. Let me go back, way more back when I was fighting with enemies.
Look there.
Look here.
There's a Yetner settlement ahead.
Yutnar.
Giants.
You can read the writing.
Some. Just the language his mother knew.
That's weird.
But they're all sort of connected, so sometimes I can feel my way through stuff I shouldn't know. You know?
Axe in hand, click both at the same time. No, whenever I hold this, it just blocks my actions. I can't do anything. Only. Wait, I know it. I have to fight to be able to do this, man. I have to fight in order to do that. Since I have finished this, how am I supposed to do that? Let's see if we can find more enemies. I hope so. Really? So what? Let's see. Yes. Yeah, it doesn't allow me.
Anything else?
Space your shots. Speed costs accuracy.
Hopefully it's gonna work now. Let's see.
Hey, I think there's a chest over there.
Yeah, I think it's bugged out. That's weird, man. Make sure it's on your X terrain. If so, take it off and put it back on again. I have done that. No, this is not a bug. I think I haven't selected my ability properly. You see, hold and press this one. Runic attack have associated attributes and cooldowns. Here we go. That's it. That's it, man.
How'd you do that?
It's not a bug. It was the wrong selection.
Move.
Thanks.
We haven't selected
There's the
properly,
mountain. Let's go.
and we
Not
were
yet.
unable to use that.
It's fine.
We got this. Yeah, we got enough stuff. Smart. Careful, man.
Father, help!
Hang
Man.
on.
Should have left you at home.
Stay calm. Almost
Is the
there.
quality good, guys? Should I increase the bitrate? Oh
That wasn't so
my
bad.
god.
Slow down.
We are
Your haste will cost us.
Sorry.
we are dead. How are we going to
more
handle all
drop.
of this? Don't
These
touch
aren't
anything.
moving. Are they dead? I mean, more dead?
Boy.
Don't touch.
Not dead, not
Oh my
dead.
god, oh my 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 god.
Remember, accuracy over speed.
I need to get my axe. How can I do that? Yes. Okay, now we press this. Yes. We good, we good, we good, we good. We got this. Oh shit, oh shit. Kill this guy, kill this guy, kill this guy, kill this guy. Killed one. Nice. Come here. Nice. I was scared, man. There were so many.
Take even more time.
Too bad it's not co-op. Yes, man. I always say this kind of games are gonna be crazy if you play with a friend. I swear to God. Imagine playing this game with a friend. I would play non-stop. I don't care if it's finished, ended the story. I will keep playing it because it's beautiful, you know.
Oh, this used to be a marketplace. The giants used to gather here to trade with the gods a long time ago. Wonder if Odin was ever here. There's something up there!
Oh no, more?
Something's
Oh
breaking through the
shit.
wall!
No problem, we got this.
Sorry, not ready!
Oh shit, this is so hard.
I'm ready! Almost ready!
Man, this is crazy. Goodbye. One more? Oh my god. What is... How many are they?
I don't think so! Come on, they're winning!
Oh shit.
No, don't leave me alone here!
There are so many. Don't make Odin mad. No man, I didn't expect this. I mean, they all came at the same time. They all came at the same time. Open the door, man, come on. How can I enable my other abilities, guys? How do I enable other... Okay, I can hit these guys together. I understand now. I need to hit these guys. Yes. I got it. Come here. All right. Yeah, we got this. I mean, I didn't know that I could push them and hit each other. It was smart. Otherwise, I wouldn't kill them, man. Oof.
Do you hear
What?
that? What is it?
What?
We will see. Stay close.
Man, he's scary. I swear he's scary.
What is that?
I don't know.
So we're going towards the scary stuff?
Girl singing bad. I don't think it's just a girl. It's going to be an ugly. Oh my god.
I'm not ready.
If I can hold you.
Almost there.
I should not let her throw this toxic. Run, 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 run. We got this, we got this, we got this. Nice.
That was a
Love you,
real
Mojito.
Never thought I'd see one.
I mean, these characters are gonna be harder later because I'm beginner. That's why they are easy now. Imagine multiple characters at the same time. I have to deal with these characters. It's gonna be hard. I think we are ready. There is nothing else to. There's no more puzzles. I know I have to go down, but first let's finish this place. I have to go up, so I have to go here first. How can I go down? Like this? No, we go from this side.
Still don't understand why that man attacked you at our house.
I told you, boy.
12
I know
button
nothing more
combos
of it.
probably. I have to check my settings. I know I have more
Look up
abilities.
there. Mister! I guess we need to get back up there. But how?
Follow me.
Ooh, we have boxes here. Got boxes. Yeah, we have to check the combination of buttons to understand what abilities I have more. I have to go down, but how? Yes. Yes, I knew it. Down from here, and we get the loot we left. Probably more problems here.
So that's how you get down here.
Have to face, yes.
Mister! I'm not ready! Father, you're almost dead!
Man,
No! Get up!
man, I knew this would get harder, but not this fast. Show me some mercy.
Look up there! Huh. So that's how you get down here. A lot of cover around here! Ready, Father! Father, no!
Ah, at least the kids are alive soon. I think sometimes if you have the ability, he can revive you like lifeline.
Look up there!
Come on, kiddo, we have to kill this guy. I just don't know how to fight with this guy because I tried two-way. I tried to block his attack. It doesn't work. I tried to sweep away from
So
next to
that's how you
him.
get
It
down
didn't
here.
work either. So we have to check something. We have to know what are the other two abilities are. Settings, control. Doesn't show me which one is which. You know, I don't see the buttons here on my left hand side. You see? Doesn't block. Help me, revive me. I need to figure out what we have to do. There's a sign, red sign. I think I have
Look
to
up there.
dash to block it. I can't block it. Maybe I can escape from it. Let's see. Let's see.
So that's how you get down here. Ready and wait.
And escape. Yes.
Ready.
Man. Oh. We have to learn so many things in this game.
Look up there.
Jet, I was I find myself like I need a teammate here. I need a lifeline.
So that's how you get down here. Stronger? I can't yet. I'm ready.
Oh yes. Yes, 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 now I understand.
Sorry, not ready.
I know I have abilities. Oh shit, I was lucky. I know I have abilities, but I don't know. In that exact moment, I don't know which button is that. So I'm getting nervous. Okay, it was just avoid his attack. That's it. Just avoid his attack. What is that? Exploding the bubbles.
Wait,
Funny
you
guy.
don't suppose Revenant travel in packs, do you? And there's a bunch of them waiting up there for us? And they're really mad?
Boy,
Sorry.
go.
Imagination.
Stop imagining my. Go. Go up. Has Lefty he think like me? Okay, so we now focus here. We have to do something here. I don't know what we have to. What are you seeing, kid, here? What are you seeing here? I don't see nothing. Oh, we can cross. Oh shit. Oh, I shouldn't have used that. Fire? I have to kill this guy first. He's a sniper. More?
Tell me when!
Right now. Oh shit. Where did you come from, man?
Sorry, not ready!
We got this. That was cool. I don't want to leave any clues here, man.
I've seen this language before.
What is this language? Okay. You know what is amazing about these games? The music. Yeah, I will definitely need to upgrade something gently. I will definitely
Look
need
here,
to upgrade my weapons,
another.
otherwise it's gonna be
It
tough.
says his name is Hrungnir. Mother told me about him. A giant warrior made of stone. Looks like he was in a pretty big battle. Odin's there, Thor, even the world serpent.
Yeah, you are right.
Oh.
They mentioned Odin as well.
Look! Hrungnir's body's crushed in.
They mentioned especially
Idiot.
Odin. So you were right. What is that? We have found something gently. Gotta be a good ability. Yeah, no problem. Enjoy your meal. Oh, not big, buddy. Okay, I think we have done it. I wish I could see the screen bigger, man. The screen is really close to my eyes. The FOV is small. Everything's done. Go back. Oh, here we go. We have a clue here.
There's one down. Earlier, you said people might try and rob us. I'll kill them if they try. I'm not afraid,
If we encounter men, we will stay out of it. Understand?
but I can fight.
You will stay out of it, boy. Speak no more of this.
Let's see what. We have broken two of this.
It's sealed by rune magic. Chains on both sides, maybe?
Same kid. We have to break something here as well. We have done something wrong. I understand. Go back. Break it and
That did it!
we have it.
Last one! Let's go open that chest.
Well, open the small one first. Oh no. See what we're gonna get. There's music. Feel like there's gonna be enemies. Robots. Right? How can I open this? Oh shit! That was scary.
The axe isn't working!
How can I leave my axe, man? Yeah, we have to kill this guy
Grab them!
without axe.
I think you got him.
Dang. Now we should be able to open this. Yes. Give it to me. I don't want to miss anything. Can we go outside now? Open this. Oh my god.
Need more time!
Oh shit.
Father, watch out! I'm ready!
Oh shit. Roll, 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 roll.
Not yet! Ready?
Yes.
Sorry, not ready. Sister!
Come here. I got you too. Come here. You bitch. Yes. More?
I'm not ready.
Yes. Come here. Phew. We are getting there, boys.
Those guys are brutal.
We are
Good
getting
boy.
there. Yeah, I'm gonna open the box if I can. How can I open the box? This one. There has to be a way to open this. Let's see, how can I go there? Okay, we have to go from another way. There is basically no way to go there. We have to go. There's nothing to hold. Go, go, go. No. Okay, I understand. I understand. I see that. Here we go. I'll do it. Happened here.
What's that smell?
Now!
Oh,
They're untouched. Look.
was this a trap?
Someone start the fires! Sigmund, your knives! So many days without meat.
Meat? Wait, us?
Behind me.
What if they change like the others? We'll have to keep them alive. Strip off their meat. A little at a time.
This fight is mine alone.
Come on, kids, you're so easy. You're dead already? Can't be serious. I thought this was a challenge. Are you sniping? What the heck? Oh shit. Oh wow. You got him. You got him. You got him. He got him, but he's now so nervous. He's nervous.
Close your heart to it. Come then. We have a long journey. Wait here. I will handle this.
Right, I wasn't here, I was AFK.
They came back.
I went for a cup of tea,
They came back.
but I was
It
lucky
is
that
finished.
I want to
I
Collect
wasn't dead.
yourself. We must find a way out.
Escape the ruins. It's gonna be easy.
Here.
Okay, there's nothing left. Trying to make sure there is nothing left. Here. Let's go.
Find something to pull me up.
Okay.
Don't be scared, kid. Don't be scared. I'm with you. I think I remember this moment. Why are you sad, man? What's wrong with you? What are you waiting, man?
Atreus,
Okay,
the chain.
I had to press the button.
Chain. Right.
You are in your head, boy. Let it go. He would have killed you.
I know, I had to do it. I do know that, I just...
And we will go home, boy.
What?
To give up this easily. So close to the start.
Wait, no. I'm not giving up. I can do this. I just have to, you know, catch my breath.
Brave
Come on.
guy, brave.
I'm ready.
Good boy.
Listen to me. To be effective in combat, a warrior must not feel for his enemy. The road ahead is long and unforgiving. No place for a boy. You must be a warrior.
I understand.
Don't think of nothing.
Get up and move your ass!
Who's speaking?
You swear in the ring or you don't move!
Who's speaking?
On!
There's someone who's funny.
No! What you waiting for? Come on already! Let's go!
Isn't this trap?
Can't get this slow-eyed cocklump to cross the bridge.
It's because she's scared of something in the trees over there.
There's what now?
Father, throw your axe at those trees on the other side of the bridge. The ones with the white trunks.
What is that? Oh yeah, there was something there. Welcome back, bro. We just helped to have a small guy.
Say, you
at this
must be
creature.
smart or something, boy. You are a boy, aren't you? Ha!
Does she have a name?
I don't know. Rude bastard ain't ever asked mine, so I ain't ever asked hers. Ah! Ha!
What's yours?
Brock.
Vera Logan.
He spoke a language.
Say, you're not
Who I
gonna
believe-
me, but
The
that
traitor.
axe you got,
Yeah, he has a
it
he
was
has a
me what
face
made
like
her.
he's traitor.
Me and my brother was one of our best. So don't let nobody else go work on her except for us two. Ah! You gotta handle her special, or she'll wreck beyond
We
fixing.
will see. We will see.
I can enhance her for you right now if it so pleases you, son of a bitch.
Look at the way he speaks.
So what say you? Ah!
You are right. I do not believe you. Come, boy.
Yeah, we don't trust you.
There's a rune in the shape of a fork under the grip. No, digger beast, ya dimber.
Oh, we have
That was
to
our friend, my brother
improve
and
our
me
weapon.
Before we split. I got
We have
half
to
of it
improve our
right
weapon.
here, see? Look, you want I should upgrade her or not?
Yes,
Very
we
well.
definitely need.
I expect an improvement.
Hopefully, we're gonna be able to improve it as much as I can. Somehow YouTube blocks your messages.
So,
Some
where's the other half? of the
words, you know.
All
I
my
have to
jump brothers
manually
got it,
approve it.
but I got all the talent. Look! To work it is.
Okay. Upgrade weapon. Weapon, blah blah blah. Okay, upgrade. This one. Continue. Select. Press B. Only 20 upgrade? Come on, man. Right? So we have upgraded. That's it. Okay, it just, I mean, it has downsides. I don't know which one to select. This one, of course. We craft this one.
There's quality material. Rate you're going might last a day.
We will kill nobody, Jet Li. Stop being violent. I couldn't
Something on
speak.
your mind, boy?
Compare. Tab. So everything is common. This one.
You know, being small like us, that's natural armor. Plus to hit.
All right.
What'd you forget? Something for the boy?
I have done already. We have no money.
At least we got that taken
Okay, we
care
sold
of.
something. Then we can buy something, right?
Kid,
We still need money, man.
you think what you want?
Nah. We good.
Well, don't look now, but our friends who were hiding in the trees are back for more.
We are
Go
poor.
on, give that axe a twirl.
Which one is better? I think we don't need luck. We just go with this one. Have I selected this already? Yeah, we don't need the luck issue. I mean, luck maybe is good. Find better stuff. We don't have enhancements. Okay, we can now enable some stuff. I'm going to go with this. I like this one. I like this one. It's a useful one because I don't know. Which one you will select? Range combat. I think range combat is good too. Yeah, I'm going to go with this one. Because some enemies are very, very strong. And we can take advantage of long range. You know? What am I have to do here?
Got room for me behind there?
What the heck?
So long as you don't break nothing.
What?
See what my touch brought? Adequate. Adequate. You know what's adequate? That's footwork. You step in shit.
Okay, we have money now. Maybe we can buy more stuff from this guy.
I'm not sure.
This road, it leads to the mountain.
Should put you in the right direction, sure.
Let's see.
Want to see my wares again? Say the word, kid.
Ah, we have nothing to do to buy. Let's go.
Come.
It was nice meeting you, Brock. I'll be thinking
Bye,
of a name for
bro.
your beast.
How about I name her fucking gratitude?
He's so rude, man.
Fucking gratitude, come over here.
He's very rude.
I like it.
Shut up, man. Keep going. Ah, forget. Let's go. All
You
right.
left me to fight alone.
I did.
People are one thing. Everything else you fight. Until I say stop or we are dead. Understand? Pull your weight or we go home.
I understand.
Good then.
Right.
That looks inviting.
Oh, close the door, man. Nice. I like building this game. Get good stuff.
Wait there.
Come here, Pete. Come here. Come here. Gotcha.
Follow me, Atreus.
On my way.
I'm here, kiddo. I need you. I will not use this because I may need it. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit.
Now, boy.
Coming!
Come on, come on, come on, come on. You good?
I'm not tired. Wasn't sure we're gonna get out of there.
Trust I will not let us die.
It's sealed by rune magic.
Need to switch my position, I guess.
There should be one more.
Yeah, I know. So we go down from here? No. Need to be able to do this from here. What have you played today? Games? What games do you guys play? It's here. Can I go other side? I think I have to go down. Here we go.
This way.
Hey, that could be valuable.
So you have played Apex? Have you have you reached to the platinum? At least.
Wow. Never been this close to the mountain before.
Should I increase
so
the game
big.
sound? Oh, you haven't played today.
Wish Mom was here to see it.
Wish Mama was here to see it. Man, this is sad.
Come, boy.
Play today, ranked. I was about to lose my mind, I swear. About to lose my mind. What is this? Blitz.
Hey, look at that. What is
Where?
it?
Boy,
Look, there are runes written along the side.
what does it say?
As we are, we two, we three. As I alone can never be.
A riddle.
There are so
Maybe
many
there's a
puzzles
clue
in this
around
game,
here.
huh? Could be something.
Seems like maybe those rings should be turning.
A button here?
The rings are turning. Come back down.
I'm coming.
Still doesn't look like anything.
You have to stop the mid one. Now?
I think that part's right.
Yes, man, this is so easy. We need something more challenging. That's it? Okay, now we have to stop the outline. Yes. Now it's time. It's getting there.
I see runes.
Here we go.
Boy, what do those runes say?
Oh, it says
Skip what?
family. That's not a clue. It's the answer. What I alone can never be. Right?
Use your knife and trace the runes into the sand.
Really? Kinslow. Something happened.
Come back, come back, come back, come back. We don't know what's going to happen.
It worked.
Oh, we are going underground, underground. Damn. Damn. I want to cover something else. Yes. Come from this side, so there's be nothing. Go. And I will sleep very well after this game. You know what? You know why? Because it's so quiet, very, very silent, very,
It is behind
very,
us now.
very quiet. You know. Relax game. So I think this is gonna help me to well. I already sleepy. I feel sleepy. We have health. Don't need this. Can I climb here? Can't. Gently, what I feel like, I think we are. We have to try more of this kind of games.
Boy,
We are playing too many competitive
tracks.
games, and it's not good for our health.
A boar, maybe? Not sure. But I'll find it.
go. It is
Head to the
important for a
mountain.
warrior to
Hunt
keep
with
his skills
hunters.
sharp.
We will hunt. Hopefully, it's gonna be small. Oh my god, man. Shut up, man. Oh, what is this? Oh, this guy is a bad guy.
On your right! Incoming fire!
If I hit it in the head, something happens. We got this. Take this, big boy. And take this as well.
Enemy down!
Nice, we got more stuff. What is that? Heavy runic attack. At a devastating area of effect attack that freezes all enemies caught in the blast. Oh. That's cool. Shut up, man. Come here. Oh, you are farting.
Only one more.
This is so easy when you kill more
Hit ya.
harder people.
How did it go?
Headshot.
Yeah. All right.
Hold down. I think we're good now. At least we know what to do, how to do, how to kill big boys as well. Not getting nervous. We are doing good. Alright. You know what I don't like about this game? Like, the area which you can visit or discover is limited. You can't discover whatever you want. You just need to follow the... Okay, we need to find things
Here.
to do here.
What does it say?
The runes symbolize the three Nornir,
Nornir,
the fates.
the fates.
One's here,
No
the other
good
one's here.
comes from them.
They
Where's the other one? Kit save you 2 mass. Yes, of course. Yes, yes. We have nothing. We do nothing. We do nothing. The other one is here. The other ones. Nice. We show no mercy. We kill everything. Hmm. Now we are able to increase our health, maximum health. Good job, Jetly. You are learning the game.
Boy, over here.
I call him Jetly.
Huh. Interesting. I may want to write that down.
Come on, Jetly. Let's go read that. Come on, Jetly. Read that. So I wish I could visit this area as well. Why are you limiting me to small area? I remember there was a beautiful woman. I don't remember which part was that. Maybe here?
Boy, I hear your animal ahead.
I knew it was a boy.
Oh, there's something happening here. A pig.
Shoot when you're ready. Remember, draw to your chest. The wild boar's hide is thick.
Back on. 1 second. Just needed to have a small break. Oh shit, we
I
missed.
hit it, didn't I? I did what you said and it looked like it bounced off. Could the board be magical?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
It looked weirder than any board I've ever seen.
Get after it then.
Yeah. It is magical, really. It's a pig from
Stay alert.
a woman.
More of those people?
Something else.
Some of the bodies are those weird dead things.
Ooh, the bird gave us too much money. But can't I go close?
There's Draugr here too. They must have been fighting.
Wanna get inside? Okay, the door is broken. You got the money. Okay, now I understand. What are my abilities? Now.
Ah! Another one! Right behind!
Better sleep, man. Can't against me. Too much for you. Too much.
I'm out of breath.
What the have you?
Here. It ran under.
You have done nothing, Joey. Stop pretending. You do too much. Come on.
I got it.
Yeah, that's the pig we are looking for.
Elbow up. Steady hand. Relax. Accuracy over speed. Yes!
Oh shit. Oh shit. I remember this moment. This pig belongs to someone.
Boy!
It's a witch.
Boy! Where are you?
Hurry, father! I found him! Please hurry!
Where are you, man?
Atreus!
He's slowing down!
Wait for me, boy!
Father, over here!
What the heck?
Atreus!
What did you do? I'm sorry!
Atreus!
Oh yeah. Now we are in the house of the witch.
We didn't know he belonged to anyone.
He doesn't. He's my friend.
The boy was following my command.
Then help fix this. Hold here, please. Hold, I said. He's losing blood. The last of his kind in all the realm, and you shoot him. You needed food?
Target practice.
Target practice.
I'm so sorry.
Keep that pressure on. The blame is mine. Should have kept a closer eye.
Yep.
Die?
I will not let him. You. The arrow cut a tideway inside him. Find both ends and hold them tightly.
Here we go. We are
Rabbit.
here. We are the doctors.
Now the right side. Hold it tight. Good. Now pull them together. Line them up.
Suna.
You're a witch.
You're a witch.
My home is just beyond the trees there. You will carry him. He must not die.
Or I'll kill you.
Good. He seems stable and calm for now. Kratos.
Holy moly! Look at this woman, man. She has a paraíso here.
That bow's a little big for you, isn't it?
My mother made it for me. Said I'd grow into it.
I've never seen you in these woods. She must miss you being away from home.
She's dead.
And this
Taking
pig
her
is so
ashes to the
beautiful,
highest peak in the realms.
so handsome.
It was her last wish.
Boy,
I'm sorry for your loss.
Don't tell the secrets, boy.
We're here.
You live in a tree?
Not in it. Below it. Hemele!
Look!
Wow.
It's alright.
Is the tree your house? It's an animal.
Is he friendly?
Looks like yes.
boy.
I promise you, he's safe.
He won't hurt anyone.
Right, this is the house. This is a crazy game. Crazy house. Hello, Shepard. Welcome.
Quickly.
She's dying. She's dying. She's dying. Go, 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 go.
Place him on the stave there. Keep him still.
Wait, more. Maybe we win some cures.
Better this way.
Yeah, my father doesn't like people either.
Boy,
Well, you don't.
Hold him still
Stop
before
telling
he
all
hurts
our
himself.
secrets, man.
Good. Easy. Rest now.
Wow. She's
I need two more things.
she's a magic,
Fresh
not a
red
witch.
root grows just behind the house. Can you pull a cluster?
We have to do that for her.
what else?
I know you're a god. Not of this realm, but there's no mistaking it.
We are a god.
He doesn't know, does he? About your true nature? Or his own?
That is none of your concern.
The gods of these realms don't take kindly to outsiders, trust me. I know. When they find you, and they will, they'll make things difficult.
We are gods.
The boy will want answers.
That will be my
Nothing would happen.
Whatever you're hiding, you cannot protect him forever. But you're right.
We are
Doesn't concern me.
a god.
I also need lamb's cress. Do you mind? It's a white petal flower in my garden. Just a handful.
All right, let's go.
Fine.
Let's go to work.
Lamb's cress.
Let's go to work. It's time to work. I don't know what I'm looking for. This one? One more? That's it? Where's my kid? Oh, he has to be
Lamb's cress,
outside.
good. Have you the red root as well?
The boy is searching.
Let's go
Perhaps you
to
could use
meet
help.
him.
Please, the salve is nothing without both ingredients.
Hello, kid. Come on, man.
Would this help?
Yes, sir.
I dropped it?
When
Yes,
were
you
chasing
dropped
the animal.
What's wrong with me?
No problem, kid.
If I lost it, then
You did lose it.
Did you know that?
I'll take better care of it from now on.
Didn't you know that? All right, let's go. It's a beautiful, beautiful garden, huh? Come on, kiddo. We have killed the pig. We have to help her. Come follow me. We are here, señorita. We are ready. Here we go.
Oh, exactly what I need.
You'll
So
be
he's gonna
good.
live?
You'll be good.
Yes.
Then we are leaving.
Wait. Not without thanks.
Oh, we are being invited for a dinner?
You want solitude? This mark will hide you from those who might make your journey difficult.
Really? I'll take that.
Luina.
Oh, we have an insignia.
Luina. Himalay. There's a shortcut below the house that leads safely out of these woods. Follow this path down, then head towards daylight.
Will we see you again?
Liar.
Smash or as little as you like.
No,
Now get out.
there is no liar, buddy. Welcome back, buddy. We have found the pig. We have found the woman, which I have said. She's a magic.
This
She has a
underground
huge
passage
house.
should put you
I could stay here to leave, but she didn't
back
invite
on
me.
your path to the mountain.
Alright.
Just use the boat. Wait, and take this. You can use it to orient yourself and navigate the world. It will always steer you towards your goals.
Get to the butt. As always, we have to check around if we see something. What?
Nightmares. Mom used to
Nightmares.
tell me about them. Didn't think they were actually real.
Nightmares.
Yeah.
What is that?
They give people nightmares. Or they
Nightmares.
are nightmares. I see a boat.
There is something that we can do. I don't know what. Or there's one more puzzle. Oh my god, man. Oh, there's a box here. Let's see. Push this.
Isn't that heavy?
Not for me.
Doesn't seem heavy.
Oh. Oh, yeah, yeah. Right? So, can we go? Oh, we have to use the boat to go there. What have you done, Jetli? You had dinner or lunch? Let's see if I can open this door. Man, these cases are so good looking, but what I get, it's like nothing. I think this is better, man. We have no enhancements, which sucks.
Oh. Now we'll get to the mountain quick. I just can't believe I'm here. Like all this. There was a time I
We
thought
just
I'd
need
never
to
leave
go
my
for the
rooms.
for the
Even lying in
box.
beds.
You are not to blame for your sickness.
Oh, I know. I guess I'm just saying. This is great.
There's no way. Yeah, we have a cannon. There was a box somewhere here. Drop it cannons, man. I couldn't find it. What is that thing, man? I lost it. There was a box. We're getting away. I need to find a way to open it. Fell off waterfall. There was a box. Let's see if I can open it. Is it here? It won't let me to go down. What am I supposed to do here to go open the box? I will have to park my car and try again. I need to open that box. There is no way I'm living now. Here we go.
We may need something we don't have. There's got to be a standard tool for this job.
How can I get there? Oh yes. Hello?
How is he?
He needs rest, but I think he's out of danger.
Does he have a name?
Hildisvini. He's been a good friend for a long time.
Oh, I
I've
think
never
we
seen
cannot
it
open
before.
that.
You said he was the last in the realm?
The last in this realm. He's from somewhere else entirely. Back home he could take
Goodbye.
any form he liked, but since he came...
Sorry. Guess we're going.
Don't be rude, kid. You have to say. I have to. Oh wait. There's something here, man. I have to do something.
Follow me, Atreus.
On my way. Isn't that heavy?
Yes.
Okay, I think I know what to do.
Do not touch
Yes.
Wow.
the water. Do you know what is under the surface?
No. It's pitch black.
Then do not touch the water.
What am I doing now? I'm confused.
This may need something we don't have.
You just said they need something that we don't have. So I think whatever I do, I won't be able to do this. We just simply we just need to ignore it. Nah, man. That sucks. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Maybe I have abilities, man. What the heck? Jet Li, thank you so much for coming, buddy. I hope you have a good day. Right? Take care of you, buddy. See you tomorrow. I will also sleep because I have to go to office tomorrow. Can't go on playing too much. So I think maybe this is what I'm looking for. Freezing. Now, if you go back, no, oh man,
Maybe we'll find something we can use here. Let's come back.
yeah, you're right. We'll find something. Better find something, man. Tell me, give me ideas. Ideas, buddy. Give me ideas. Nothing? I think we give up. There's nothing here.
talking.
I don't know. You're not helping, man. All right, we're leaving. We couldn't find it.
There's the mountain. Look how close we are.
We flow into seawater.
How do you know?
Do you not smell it?
If that smells the sea,
We will not smell it.
the sea stinks. Look at that. It's Thor.
Thor.
Lake of Nine.
That's right. I never thought you listened when Mother spoke to the gods.
I seldom did. Did she speak of one who could feel no pain?
Oh. That sounds like Baldur,
Balder.
an Aesir god, son of Odin and Frigg.
And Odin is king.
That's right. Why do you ask? I see runes there in this chest. Can't quite make it out. It reads, sacrifice your arms to the center of the water. Awaken again the cradle of the world. What? Throw our weapons into the water? Guess that won't be a problem for you. Are you gonna do it?
I guess no.
The axe did not return.
Oh shit.
Bring on board!
Okay!
What is this?
It's the world serpent.
Very quiet. Here you go.
Go on board!
I am! This is great!
Man, it's crazy.
Speaks?
Yeah! Mom said he's friendly!
What does it say?
I don't know!
Holy shit.
That was amazing! Wait! There's the shipwreck way over there. See that? And there's a statue of Thor.
Okay,
Except
you with
I can
this.
see a lot more of him now.
The water
Why,
dropped,
dude?
and the serpent rose.
Oh, that must be why the beach wasn't there before, see? And there's the mountain. Look it. That building leads from the foot of the mountain to that golden temple.
It was all just under the surface.
Except for the statue. Good thing, huh? There's even a dock. There, next to the
Let's
flag.
go. Let's go there. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
We're going to the dock first, right? We'll be the first people to walk on it in who knows how long.
You know of that serpent?
He's one of the giants. He's so big, he's wrapped around the whole world and bites his own tail.
An exaggeration.
I don't know. Looked pretty big to me. Is this the way to the mountain?
It
Yes,
would
I guess.
If it isn't the bearded beaver and his sack seed, have I got something for you too?
Okay, this is our friend.
But how did you...
None of your fucking business. Now get in here. I got something for you. And don't go making pig eyes at my spot. I saw it first.
Okay.
This one.
What do you think he wants?
To test our patience.
When word gets out about my new shop, folks will finally come out of hiding. They'll be clawing all over each other just to catch a whiff of my wares. You rush around like that everywhere? Yeesh. Catch! The pile of rocks there? With that key of Yggdrasil, you can open a magic door to the branches of the World Tree. A shortcut between the realms. If you ever see a out in the world, use it to get back to me quick. But it's only one way. Straight
Guys, I
back
think
here
I'm
and
gonna have to go
nowhere
to sleep,
else.
man.
And whatever you
It's very
do,
late.
never, ever throw yourself over the edge of the path, lest you want death.
Yeah, I don't see us wanting that.
It's very late. I have to sleep. Let's save it here and I'll come tomorrow. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Yeah, I don't have time, but tomorrow I will play in the afternoon. I'll see you.